Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make Bluetooth discoverable on your phone and power on the Bluetooth headset so it enters pairing mode. At the same time, plug wired earphones into the device or USB-C/Lightning adapter so the OS recognizes them. Once done, disable background apps that take exclusive audio control and enable Do Not Disturb to prevent incoming calls from breaking the session. This ensures both outputs are available and minimizes automatic switching by the system when you begin routing audio. Now configure audio routing in the operating system or app. Go to Sound or Bluetooth settings and check available output options. Select the wired earphone for media and the Bluetooth headset for calls if the OS supports per app outputs. If the device doesn't offer split audio, install a virtual audio driver or a third-party app that allows simultaneous outputs, or enable Bluetooth multipoint on the headset to accept multiple streams. Make sure sample rates match to avoid lag. Adjust in the advanced sound properties. Finish by testing playback and speaking into the mic to confirm both earphone and Bluetooth audio work concurrently. Adjust volume levels and latency settings so audio is in sync. If you notice delay, reduce the sample rate or move critical audio to the wired earphones. If connections drop or devices won't stay connected, restart the Bluetooth service, repair the headset, or toggle airplane mode briefly. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio is missing from one output, unpair then pair that device last so the system assigns the correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.